Hello everyone, welcome back again to one more video, and today I bring you another kit from Miniart. This is 1/35 scale and this is the Modern Street Coffee, and this is the series from Building and Accessories. Alright, so you can see what we got here on the box art, and let's see what you can expect. Alright, so I remove the plastic bag to see what it comes and show you guys what you can expect. Alright, so we got here 6 chairs like this one, and they are all came in package and they are really nice on the details. So when you cut these ones, you have a nice surface just to use the sand, and it's really nice. So 6 chairs of these. We got here this one, I think this is the refrigerator. More we got here. So different things to build. And this came with this, and you can see, well constructed, well protected. So we got here, I think this is for, let me see what it's going to be for. So just seeing reference there. We got here more spruce. I think this is some kind of trash bags. Okay. We got here the tables, and the details are really awesome. We got here clear parts. This is for the refrigerator, and we got here some mugs and bottles. And in return we got here the banner of the stand, so it's good. So let's see the instructions. It's more easier to show you guys how to do. So we got here the instructions of the refrigerator for this one, sun hat. Alright, and we got 2 different, and these ones are really alright. This is not a garbage can. This is the base of the heads. Okay, we got here some cans too, and we got here some boxes to put right there. You can see here to cut this part. So this umbrella canopy, you can do this. You just cut. You can see right. The instructions are very easy. This is the way the cut of the box. It's going to be like this, and you got the instructions how to fold, right? And more. This is for tobacco. This is some, I think it's beer, and it's really nice. Here we got the colors, the brands of the colors and the name of the colors. So it's always Vallejo, Mr. Color, Life Color, to me, AK, Mission Motors, Ataka, and Emo Mick Jimenez. More. So for a nice diorama, or you can put some whatever you want. It's really nice. And for me, I'm thinking like Middle East, or whatever. And I think what you got, bottles, beer bottles. Yes, this is really nice. I'll get here for the coffee too. So really nice. So guys, if you have any questions, just ask me and I will try to answer, of course, if I know. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell to receive all my models. This one, it's one of the things I'm going to do on video, and you are going to see the construction and of course the painting work on this. You can go crazy making this very weathered, so let's use our imagination. So these accessories, they are really nice for making this kind of things. Okay, so thank you very much, and I catch you up.